everyone, today's topic is clotting of blood. The blood flow through the blood vessel doesn't clot but clots after coming into contact with external environment. It changes into a jelly-like blood clot or hemostatic plug. The blood clot is formed initially by aggregation of blood platelets. Later fibrin deposition occurs and the fully formed blood clot contains also red cells and leukocytes within the fibrin networks. The first theory of mechanism of blood clotting put forwarded by Alexander Smith in 1872. There are 13 factors involved in the process of blood clotting. First one is factor 1, fibrinogen. Virchow in 1845 first of identified that fibrinogen is a plasma protein of about 4 to 5 lakh molecular weight. Fibrin is the end product of the blood clotting process. Most of fibrinogen synthesized in the liver. Factor 2, prothrombin. Smith in 1863 was first identified it. Prothrombin is a glycoprotein synthesized in liver. Vitamin K is essential for process and its formation. Its molecular weight is about 69,000. Factor 3, thromboplastin. It is a lipoprotein. Its role was discovered by Smith. It is secreted in inactive form prothromboplastin. Factor 4, calcium ions. It required for the formation of prothrombin activator and for the formation of insoluble fibrin clot. Factor 5, labial factor. Ovrin in 1947 was first identified its role in clotting. It is essential for conversion of prothrombin to thrombin by tissue extract and plasma factors. Factor 5 is absent from serum being consumed during blood clotting. Factor 7, stable factor, autoprothrombin 1. This one required for the formation of prothrombin activator by tissue actors and present in serum as well as plasma as being not consumed during blood clotting process. Factor 8, which is anti-hemophilic globulin or anti-hemophilic factor. This factor is required for the formation of prothrombin activator from blood constituents and is found absent from the serum being used during process of blood clotting. Factor 9, Christmas factor, also known as plasma thromboplastin component or autoprothrombin second. This factor is also required for the formation of prothrombin activator from blood constituents. It is found in the plasma and it is activated during clotting so that the activity in serum is much greater than in plasma. The deficiency of this factor is associated with the congenital hemorrhagic state resembling hemophilia Christmas disease. Factor 10, steroid power factor. This factor is found in plasma as well as in serum. Factor 11, plasma thromboplastin antecedent. This factor is found in plasma and serum and is required for formation of prothrombin activated from blood constituents. Factor 12, Hagman factor. This factor is found in plasma and serum and is required for the formation of prothrombin activator from blood constituents. It is in the deficiency of this factor, blood clot process take much time. Factor 13, fibrin stabilizing factor. This is a plasma protein which causes polymerization of soluble fibrin to produce insoluble fibrin. Blood platelets are not true cells but cells fragments formed in the bone marrow, lungs, livers and spleen. These tend liberated phospholipid which are essential for clotting in the absence of tissue extract. The basic reaction in the clotting of blood is conversion of the soluble protein fibrinogen into the insoluble fibrin by means of thrombin enzymes. In clotting process, all 13 factors are involved. Clotting involves the interplay of intrinsic and extrinsic pathways. The intrinsic pathway involves the reactions of factor 12, factor 11, factor 9, factor 8 and factor 10. And extrinsic factors represent by tissue tissue damage, factor 4, factor 7, factor 10, and factor 5. The intrinsic pathway ends with the formation of active factor 10, which in the presence of factor 5, factor 4, which is calcium ions, and phosphoglyceride converts the inactive factor second prothrombin into active factor second thrombin. Active thrombin converts the soluble protein fibrinogen into insoluble fibrin. Next topic will also be focused on blood. Thank you for watching video.